Okay, now we lost the weeping willow tree. Holy. You need to watch out right through here, Jake. These trees are all coming down.
Man, we're looking for these trees. These trees make our yard really nice.
Oh my God.
Oh my head. Wish Chris never hit it. I only know why it's hurting because you hit it like in the bad part.
That almost fell.
Ow, my knee still hurts. It's coming down like the wind is.
Oh, you poor willow tree.
Oh, that was even growing. That was growing perfectly too. Mom, it was growing good.
I know, it was looking the best it's ever looked.
And it just falls down. Makes me turn mad. All we need is for that tree to fall down.
Man, tree branches coming down all over the place.
Oh, that's